Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how to install the Japanese keyboard on your Windows computer. And now let's get started. To begin, right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. In the Settings window, navigate to the Time and Language tab on the list on the left-hand side. In the right pane, click on Language and Region. You will need to wait for this section to load. Once it has loaded, click on Add a Language. In the search bar that appears, type Japanese and then select Japanese from the results. Click on Next. You will then see an option to install the language, which includes support for basic typing, speech recognition, text-to-speech, and other features. Click on Install to begin the process. This installation may take a while to complete. Once the Japanese language pack is installed, you will need to click on the three dots next to the Japanese language in the list. From the options that appear, click on Move Up. It is important to note that moving Japanese to the top of the list will set it as your default display language. You have to click Move Up until Japanese reaches the top of the list, as the language at the very top is recognized as the default language for your system. Once it is in the desired position, you will be able to use the Japanese keyboard accordingly. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.